Hi, I am Dr. Anantharam Krishnan, organizing chairperson for this workshop on laser proctology and endovenous laser ablation. This program, which is being currently held in my institute for the past 2 days, was very excellent. Our guest surgeon and our moderator, Dr. Neeral Goyal, and Oreol Academy, who is coordinating this program and conducting this workshop for us, is really excellent. It is a nice scientific session. We have almost had 8 to 9 cases which has been demonstrated on live, and our guest surgeon Dr. Neeral Goyal has almost given a nice lecture on both the sessions. Before the onset of the session, we have discussed the complications, and there was a nice lively discussion of all the cases which has been demonstrated from day 1 and day 2. And we also thank Oreol Academy, who has been very cooperative for us in bringing out this program as a great success. Thank you for all.